Hey everybody, Ben with MagicPlan here. Today I'm discussing the new MagicPlan Xactimate integration that is now live. So as you'll see here, I've gone ahead and created a project in the web portal for Xactimate. I'm populating some location information as well as a claim number and any relevant notes. But most importantly, you'll see here in this pop-up window in the top left that MagicPlan has been selected from the drop-down menu. This is an extremely important first step to make sure that you're using the integration correctly. Once I'm done filling in that information, in the bottom you'll see that my request was processed successfully. And this is the time where we move back over to MagicPlan. So here, I've created a project. Let's take a quick look at it. Nothing too complicated, but really just wanted to demonstrate how you can take a basic sketch like this, go into your files and sharing once completed, and utilize the new integration that we've set up with Xactimate. So I'll find the address that pertains to the project that I requested data for. And once that's done sending, you'll get a little pop-up that says your files are now available. Now we'll go ahead and jump back over to the web portal for Xactimate, and here is where we'll go ahead and open up this project. So once this is done opening up, we'll do the normal steps. We'll select our price list, we'll select the tax jurisdiction, but what's really important for this integration is then taking a look at the sketch portion of this estimate. So I'll click on estimate. We'll go down to sketch, and in the top left corner of this pop-up, you'll see a little icon. We'll go ahead and click on this icon and we'll be able to select the data that was sent over from MagicPlan just a moment ago. And just like that, the sketch has been imported into your estimate here, and you can go ahead using your Xactimate process as normal. So I just wanted to do a side-by-side comparison here. I think this is a great way to seamlessly send projects from MagicPlan to Xactimate, and we hope you guys like it.